In Springfield, they're eating the dogs, the people that came in. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pets. We knock on wood wherever we may have wood, that I'm in very good health. I just won 2 club championships.
What about IRS, CIA, FBI? Yeah, so I don't think the CIA wastes a ton of money. So that's not an efficiency problem, but I think it's corrupt. Right? That's just a basic, like there's lawlessness within our intelligence services. We know this. Fire the people who censored. We're going to fire the people who are telling Mark Zuckerberg and all the other technology companies that they needed to censor. Fire the 50 intelligence operatives who said that the Hunter Biden laptop was Russian disinformation. A lot of those people still have security clearances. Strip every single one of those people of their security clearances. Fire every single person. You cannot lie, take your position of public trust, and lie to the American people for political purposes. It's disgraceful, and people have to suffer consequences for it.
Friends who were Trump supporters, who had no problems traveling, then all of a sudden, all of them started getting this Quad S on their boarding pass. You got to go 45 minutes through TSA and all this other stuff.